If you are getting easy anti-cheat was unable to authenticate with the server and error code fee12ea9 in NBA 2K26, you are not alone. This is one of the most reported PC issue right now after recent update. These fixes come from the most upvoted Reddit threads and Steam community discussion. First thing you should check, the easy anti-cheat service. Press Windows plus R and type services.msc. Now find easy anti-cheat. If it stopped, start it. If it's already running, restart it. Also make sure startup type is set to automatic. Next, repair easy anti-cheat. Open Steam, find NBA 2K26 and select manage, then browse local files. Now open the easy anti-cheat folder, right click easy anti-cheat underscore setup.exe and run it as administrator. Select NBA 2K26 and tap Repair Service. Many players say this fixed the error instantly. Still getting the error? Open command prompt as administrator. Now type ipconfig/flushdns and press enter. Then type netsh windshock restart. Then type netsh int IP reset. Restart your PC after all three commands. Another big cause is VPNs and antivirus apps. Turn off any VPN you're using. Also add nba2k26.exe and the easy anti-cheat folder to your antivirus exclusion list. Many users found that security software was blocking the authentication process. Last thing, sync your PC clock. Go to settings, then time and language. Now tap on date and time. Make sure set time automatically is on. Then tap sync now. A wrong system time can cause a security check to fail. Try these fixes one by one and NBA 2K26 should connect normally again. Bye bye.